Hey there, welcome to this week's weekly warm-up. Now this week we are going to finish up building block number 1, laying the foundation, with ending with chapter 3, your where, which is your vision statement. Now this is the big picture of how you want your future to look. And when clients are coached through the Build Your Best You 5-step building block process, it's at this point where they identify where they want their fitness and health success project to take them. Now, visualization is so powerful because it helps you achieve your goals by conditioning you for success. And get this, athletes who visualize a successful competition, they actually stimulate the same regions of the brain as if they were physically performing that action. So, I want you to think about visualization as a pre-game mental rehearsal. Now, look, I know that it sounds like it's too good to be true, but the effects are real. Studies have also shown that by visualization and incorporating it into your practice, then the benefits are also that it helps you decrease nerves and anxiety. And again, the reason why this works is because visualizing a successful outcome allows you to have already been there and see yourself performing the way that you want to. And because this practice is so impactful, and that is exactly why we include it in building block number 1, laying the foundation. Now, once clients identify where they want their fitness and health success project to take them, they are then challenged to create a vision board. This brings their vision to life by giving them a physical representation as to where they want their journey to go. So this week, I challenge you to identify where you want your fitness and health to take you. Well, there you have it. That is your weekly warm-up. I am Coach Becky, and this is Build Your Best You, your 5-step building block process to rebuild your inner athlete. Have a terrific week, everyone, and for goodness sakes, please always remember to just take it one day, one meal, and one workout at a time. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. You don't want to miss any of our future videos. So I will see you in the next one. Take care.